Hello guys, welcome once more to Nateiva. We are going to see now the top 3 features on the teacher's user account. So to begin with, this is the dashboard and we are going to start with the evaluation sector. Note that on Nateiva, when we say evaluation, we mean exam, assignment or quiz. And to add that, the teacher will choose the term, choose the class, the subject, and choose what he wants to set, either an exam, an assignment or a quiz. If it's an exam, he has to choose the exam type. It could be weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually. Quarterly is what we commonly call trimester exam. Half yearly is what we call semester exams, and yearly is what we call annual exams. Note that once he has put in all the information asked, he has to select the content type, and in the content type you either have to upload a PDF, which has been done before, to upload it for students on the platform, or you can choose the customized content. Customized content here means that the teacher can directly type in the information on the platform. It could be done in two ways, either the subjective way, which gives the opportunity to set MCQs and open exams, or the objective way, which gives you the opportunity only to set multiple choice questions and it is automatically corrected by the platform. And note that once the exams has been set, the teacher cannot modify after the exam has started. If he has to modify, it has to be done before the exam starts. Also, we have the study guide. The study guide here is simply where the teacher can add notes or summary of notes or even audios that can help students for better study. Note that the more the file is heavy, the more it will take time to upload. Also, we have the video conference, which is one of the most important parts of Nateiva as far as the teacher is concerned. So you simply have to choose the subject in which he wants to generate a link. For instance, here a link has already been generated. Note that you always have to read the instruction before joining or generating a link. So once the link has been created, you have to choose the schedule date, the link expiry date, and once you have done, you can just start the meeting. And once you have started the meeting, as you first of all have to test your audio, and once you have tested your audio, everything is okay. You have many options in the video conference where the teacher can do many things. You can even mute a student who is disturbing in class. You can share your screen. You can activate the video, the webcam. So that was all for the teacher's account with his top 3 features. Hope you liked the video. If you have any question, you can ask for more clarification. Thank you.